Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review ZCal. It is your calendar application which is meant to be an alternative to a popular tool like Calendly. So if you would like to give people ability to easily schedule meetings with you and you don't want to pay monthly price for the tool again like Calendly, then ZCal is a great alternative. At the moment, AppSumo is running last call event and you have few days to grab this awesome tool. I think it is very balanced because it provides all the needed features so people will be able to easily book sessions with you. You can configure different themes and styles for your meetings. You can make your meeting invites more engaging by uploading videos so people may get additional information before meeting with you or with your team members. If you have big team, you can configure so-called round-robin strategy to distribute the load between your team members. You can manage required or optional hosts. Of course, you will be able to block specific time when people can book meetings. And yeah, I think the price point or license tiers strategy is pretty awesome here because you have all features available for all plans. Just see how many users you'll need. Just to compare. Again, Calendly, the most popular tool in this category, it comes with a price point of $10 per seat per user monthly. So if you have 5 team members, you will have to pay $50 monthly and you won't have all features available. So let's take a look again at ZCal pricing. So with Calendly, for 10 users, you will have to pay $100 monthly. And here, just $139 one-time payment. Okay, so now let's take a look at the ZCal. So when you're done with basic configuration, you will have your link for your organization. Just as an example, you can theme your page whatever you want. There will be available time slots which people can book with you, particular time, and that's it. You can add more links, so you can have one-on-one invites, group invites, or meeting polls. Depending on the tools you've connected, you will have the ability to use Google Meet, for example, or other tools like Zoom. You can customize themes or upload your own images. You will be able to upload image or video available for people who will see your calendar invites. Here we can see a few more options which will be available for you. And here we can see just a summary what this tool can provide. There can be SMS reminders, integration with webhooks. You can remove ZCal branding. You can accept file uploads even from invitees. So yeah, I think ZCal is a pretty powerful tool. So let's take a look at some of the settings. In my case, I've connected my Google account for the calendars. Yep, we can see it here. And ZCal provides few other important integrations. So you can have Zoom or Google Meet or Microsoft Teams as the platform for your video calls, to have links for your video calls in your invites. You can have automations connected using webhooks. For example, you can get notified when a meeting is scheduled or cancelled. And in case of Zapier, here's how it looks. You will just need to copy integration key from ZCal provided in the settings. And now when you create a new Zap, you can react on events cancelled, created, or rescheduled. And let's say you'd like to store that information in a Google Sheet. So you may have access to different data like invitee, name, email, and other provided information. So yeah, I would say integrations with tools like Zapier is a crucial thing for calendar applications. And moreover, you can configure Stripe connection to collect payments, let's say, if you need that for your meetings. Okay, so that's it for my ZCal review. I think it is great tool and great price. I like how they structured license tiers because they provide all the options for all of the plans. And if you're a solopreneur, if you have a small business or bigger one, you can even start with license tier 1 and use this tool for your own needs, or you can go with license tier 3 or 2 depending on the number of users and seats that you need. To get ZCal, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.